Hey, what's up guys? I just thought I'd give you a little update on the himax. I haven't made a flying video in a while. The Hearth F-33 had a catastrophic redrive failure. We got two main bearings here where the redrive went, and it's got a circlip on the back that fits in a groove, and basically the vibration wore that groove out, and so I was about to go flying and the prop departed the airplane pretty much. So now we're going to upgrade to the motor I think this plane really originally needed. This is the Rotax 447. It's a inline 2-cylinder 2-stroke. It makes 40 horsepower. It's way smoother engine because it's got 2 cylinders inline, and I think it's going to be a little bit quieter. And I think we're going to turn the Mini Max into a Super Max, because if you ever followed any of my videos, I made my Mini Max as light as possible. So I was flying on 28 horse. It was getting pretty decent performance, around 300 to 400 feet a minute. I'm guessing with this, hopefully the mounting, I'm going to try to mount to the amount I have the Hearth mounted to, which is what they call the breadboard, and hopefully it mounts up without too much modification. But I think we're going to get really good performance. I'm guessing 800-900 feet a minute and a 70-mile-per-hour cruise. So this is the engine I had on my gyrocopter. These are very reliable engines here. Very smooth. This is a single carb, single ignition. So my Hearth had dual ignition for reliability, but these engines are pretty much known for their reliability. I'm really excited about this because I think this is going to transform this airplane into a different machine. That's my gut feeling. So this is the I'll kind of journey along and show you guys the process. I'll have to order a new prop because when my redrive failed, basically the prop attaches to the reduction drive and it just flew off. So it destroyed my E-prop. So I have to find a new prop. I'm thinking about going with a 3-blade again. But anyway, I'm really excited about this. Really excited.